Okay. Srila Prabhupada ke. So this particular verse that we are going to discuss today is the third chapter, third canto, 25th chapter, and not single verse. It's a verse starts from 5th, but Prabhupada covers 3-4 verses. And so let us see. SP lecture. Kardama Mani married to who is daughter of Kardama Mani married to who is daughter of
sir Krishna acha 134
okay. Oh, it was unmute.
Yes. 5 seconds before you got.
Why?
Because noise was some noise.
Okay. Okay, so Prabhupada in the lecture, it happens many times, but it is actually Swayambhuva Manu, not Vaivasvata Manu. And those who have written Vaivasvata Manu, they also should get marks, but unfortunately, Kahoot doesn't allow. So only 14 people, they will get the marks. So we will go to the next. So Tarun Reddy in the top, Abhishek Jaiswal second, Madhusudan Mukund third, Ravi Prakash fourth, and Tarun Kumar fifth. Okay. This is multi-select. The distinction between Kardama spaceship and the modern spaceship are, it was a small city, it can travel to all planets, it is manifestation of Yoga Siddhi. Modern spaceship is more comfortable. It's a multi-select question. Okay. All three are right answer. In fact, Prabhupada does mocking of Sputnik, where he was saying the astronaut was sitting on the Sputnik and was trying to look at the earth and was trying to find out where is Moscow. And Prabhupada is saying, to see Moscow, you don't have to go to the space and start seeing where is Moscow. You pay 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees or some few rubles, and then you can see Moscow. Why you have to go to a spaceship to see Moscow? So actually, the Kardama spaceship was a small city. It had all the facilities, many people. So it's a very pleasurable journey, not boring journey like current spaceship. And current spaceship can travel to only one planet. It cannot travel to all planets. Whereas spaceship of Kardama can travel to all planets. And of course, Prabhupada said this was possible because Kardama had the Yoga Siddhi, like Anima, Laghima, Prapti. So this kind of Yoga Siddhi he had, and that is why he could manifest a spaceship. in which he and his wife Devahuti would travel and have their honeymoon on the space voyages. Wow! Completely upside down, Tarun Reddy completely fell apart. Abhishek Jaiswal top, Vinay Gupta second. I was saying these two were preparing in the evening, and that actually made me aware that I have to do a quiz. And then by quickly playing badminton, I came back and made this quiz. Manish Yadav from somewhere came, popped up, and in the top 3, Jivnes also there, and Tarun. Ravi Prakash and Mayank Madhusudan have fallen from the grace. Again, multi-select question. Lord Kapila, the son of Kardama, is an incarnation and one of the 12 Mahajanas, propounder of atheistic Sankhya philosophy, propounder of Bhagavad Sankhya philosophy, one of the Saptarshis. Is a multi-select question. In multi-select, you can have one question correct answer, also more than one question also can be correct answers. Not necessarily only more than one. Even one question can be also correct. We started with 30, now it is 34. Become 35. Right answer, an incarnation and one of the 12 Mahajanas, propounder of Bhagavad Sankhya philosophy. So difference between Kapila and atheistic Kapila is that Lord Kapila is giving the 24 elements, but 24 elements connected to Krishna, how they evolve from Krishna. In fact, Lord Kapila says how Krishna enters into every element in this particular description. So there are 2 answers, and majority have done right. Wow, this is amazing. Manish Yadav in the top, and Gopa has come in the 2nd position. Jivnes in the 3rd position, Vinay Gupta 4th, Abhishek Jaiswal is in 5th position. Srila Prabhupada advocated marriage as a boy and girl as dash and dash because dash. 25, 21, it will give rise to good progeny. Age does not matter. Krishna consciousness is central. Srila Prabhupada gave importance to Krishna conscious culture only. 25, 16, one can take sannyas at the age of 50, and son takes care of mother. Okay, so 26 people gave the correct answer. Prabhupada says that no boys should marry after 25. No girls should marry after 16. And his logic was, by the age of 50, his son would be 25 age, and then son is capable at the age of 25 to take care of the mother. So this is the logic of Srila Prabhupada in this particular lecture. Abhishek Jaiswal came to 2nd, Jivnes 3rd, Vinay Gupta and Tarun. Kardama could take sannyas as his wife was kept at the care of his son, Lord Kapila. His son was an incarnation of Krishna. he was qualified to detach himself from matter. He was seeking the truth. Right. Kardama could take sannyas because he has a worthy son who could take care of his wife. And actually, you cannot take sannyas once you enter into Grihastha ashrama by your whim. The wife must be given proper protection before you can take sannyas. So there are many people, they violate this principle. Anyway, in Kali Yuga, sannyasa is mostly forbidden unless one is very qualified. So Manish Yadav still in top. Vinay Gupta, Tarun Reddy has come again up. Shyam Murari, I think somewhere sun has risen in the east today or west, I don't know. And Madhusudan Mukund. Multi-select again, dear friends. Woman is not given independence in Vedic society because she is inferior. Under protection, she is accorded highest respect. Independent woman cannot be happy. She has less intellectual power. The multi-select question. You have to answer according to the lecture of Srila Prabhupada. The right answers under protection, she is accorded highest respect. And Prabhupada said also, independent woman cannot be happy. Cannot be happy. So woman should always remain under someone's protection. And under protection, she is accorded highest respect. So this is so there are many people that have given also the other answer. She has less intellectual power. Actually, this intellectual power normally, because in this Kali Yuga, women are also equally.
See, one tell otherwise. This answer was there in the lecture. ये गलत है नहीं ये बहुत गड़बड़ कर रहे हो
Quiz master's decision is final. Quiz master decision is final. Okay. Madhusudan Mukund in top. Jayant Rathore has come back. And Manish Yadav, Chahatu Prati and Vinay Gupta. This particular quiz is throwing a lot of uncertainties for the first time I'm seeing. A woman is protected by the father when she is married, by the husband when she is married, by the son when husband dies or takes sannyas. All of the above. Okay, so all of the above is the right answer. That is the right answer. That means all of them are right. So Madhusudan Mukund in the top, Chahat, Manish, Jayant and Tharun. There are other 4. Mahabharata was compiled by Vyasdev for Stri, Sudra and Vaishya, politicians, administrative class, all of the above. Stri, Sudra, Vaishya is the right answer. Is the right answer. Stri, Sudra, Vaishya is the right answer. In fact, Mahabharata is more important than the 4 Vedas, because in this age, everybody is actually Sudra. In that sense, Mahabharata is meant for all Kali Yuga people, and that is the verdict. Okay, someone fell from the grace. Who is that someone? Manish Yadav fell from the grace and Pawan Goel went up. So now let us go. The 9th question. Lord Kapila's ashram is situated near Ganga Sagara, Bindu Saravara, Badrinath, Renuka Lake. Lord Kapila's ashram is situated near Okay, Bindu Sarovar is the right answer. Bindu Sarovar is the right answer. Prabhupada mentions that also, and it is there in that chapter as well. So again, Manish Yadav came top. Ajay Gudla came in the top 5. Tarun Reddy, Chahat Upreti are still in top 5. So last 3 questions. This is the Bhakti is for liberated being, not for conditioned soul. Which verse says? Prabhupada quotes that verse. Aruya Kusrena Parampadam Tatam Bhaktyamam Abhijanati Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma Manmana Bhava Mat Bhakta. Prabhupada quotes a verse by justifying Bhakti is for liberated being, not for conditioned soul. Bhakti is for liberated being, not for conditioned soul. Which verse talks about it? Yes, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma Na Sochate Na Kankyati Sama Sarvesu Bhutesu Madbhakti Lavate Param. So this is so some new person has come now. Gopa has come in the top 5, and otherwise the list is as it is. Prakashananda Saraswati criticized Lord Chaitanya because he was attached to Brahman. Chanting and dancing are mere sentimentalism. A sannyasi should study Brahma Sutra, all of the above. All of the above, the right answer, my dear friend. Right answer. Prakashananda Saraswati was an impersonalist. He was attached to Brahman, and hence he thought chanting and dancing are mere sentimentalism. And hence he suggested that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu should study Brahma Sutra instead of dancing and chanting. So this is why he criticized Lord Chaitanya. So there is no change this time. Now let us say Brahman, Paramatma, Bhagavan is compared in this lecture to hazy cloud, green hill, variegated hill result, sun ray, sun globe, sun planet, heat, light, fire, all of the above. Brahman, Paramatma, Bhagavan is compared in this lecture to right. The first was the right answer. Prabhupada said that from a distance, when you see, particularly if you are flying on the airplane from Delhi to Lucknow, you see the Himalayas, and Himalayas would appear like a cloud. And many times I have seen that. It looks like cloud. It will never look like green. So the hazy idea of the absolute truth is Brahman. And then when you go very near, then you see there is a green hill. So that becomes the all-pervading Paramatma. And ultimately, Bhagavan. Bhagavan is the variegated hill result. So there is no change. Sunil has come. What is Sunil 2? Okay. So this is the last question. We will say, Mayavadis cannot appreciate transcendental Brahman, dedicated nature of the absolute truth, all-pervading super soul. None of the above. Mayavadis cannot appreciate. Prabhupada very categorically talks about it. Cannot appreciate. Cannot appreciate. And Prabhupada talks about a lot. Absolute truth is variegated. Transcendental object can have variegatedness. Mayavadis, because they take shelter of the speculation, they cannot understand it. Whereas by the grace of Guru and Krishna, we have understood there is Krishna's kingdom. Millions of Vaikuntha planets. The capital is Goloka Vrindavan, and filled with wonderful devotees in every planet. Everybody is so opulent transcendentally. This Mayavadis cannot appreciate. So this is podium. Third, Professor Gopal. Second, Professor Tarun Reddy. And first, Madhusudan Mukundas. So congratulations to the winners today. I hope this quiz made you more connected to Srila Prabhupada. We will see the complete report card. Just a moment. Acha, you are in 4th? Okay. Full view report. So there are 39 players today, dear friends. Madhusudan Mukund first, Tarun Reddy second, Professor Gopal third, Abhishek Jaiswal fourth, Chahatu Preti fifth, Ravi Prakash sixth, Jayant Mahant seventh, Ajay Gudla eighth, Vinay Gupta ninth, Tarun Kumar 10th, Panchal Abhishek 11th, Sunil 2, 12. Manish Yadav 13. Pavan Goel 14. Sam Murari Das 15. Meher Pritam 16. Anmol 17. Ansul 18. Santosh, Gurukul, there is only Santosh, 19. Swati 20. Jivnesh 21. Sandeep 22. Tanis Gupta 23. Abhishek Bansal 24. Hariom 25. Khushbu 26. Sanjay Sinhaji 27. Akshay 28. Sudhir Jilalimudi 29. Pranjal 30. Sachin 31. Jitendra Soni 32. Radhakant Das 33. Lila Govind Das 34. Bapi Sarkar 35. Malay Naskar 36. Sudhir Jalalimudi 37. How is that?
He might have been disconnected, so he joined again.
Radhakant Das 38. Sunil 39. Okay. So I think it was a nice lecture. Prabhupada started with how to protect women to nature of the absolute truth. And it was pretty deep lecture. Many aspects were covered. And I hope you enjoyed hearing this lecture. And then you also enjoyed the quiz. So once in a week, every week, we will do Prabhupada lecture quiz. So I thought this is a good thing to do. And so though all of you are, those who participated are wonderful. Doesn't matter who became first, second, third, fourth.